Hello everyone, welcome to Home English Network. Today we talk about Start Speaking English Today, easy conversation for beginners. Learning English does not have to be difficult. You do not need to memorize thousands of words, study complicated grammar rules, or speak perfectly from the beginning. The most important thing is to start speaking. Many beginners understand English when they read or listen, but they feel nervous when it is time to speak. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or, what if I forget the right word? This fear can stop you from practicing. But remember one simple rule: you learn to speak English by speaking English. Today, we are going to practice easy and useful English conversations that you can use in everyday life. These sentences are simple, natural, and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully, repeat each sentence, and try to speak along. 1. Greeting someone. Let's begin with the easiest conversation: greetings. When you meet someone, you can say, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You can also ask, how are you? A simple answer is, I'm good, thank you. How are you? Or, I'm doing well, thanks. Here is a short conversation. A. Hi, how are you? B. I'm good, thank you. How are you? A. I'm doing great. B. That's nice to hear. This is a very simple conversation, but you can use it almost every day. 2. Introducing yourself. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. You can say, my name is Sarah, I'm Sarah, nice to meet you. Then ask, what's your name? For example, A. Hi, I'm David, what's your name? B. I'm Emma, nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. You can also talk about where you are from. I'm from Pakistan, I'm from India, I'm from Canada. Where are you from? Conversation. A. Where are you from? B. I'm from Pakistan. How about you? A. I'm from Canada. B. That's great. Practice these sentences until they feel natural. 3. Talking about your daily life. One of the best ways to improve your English is to talk about your daily routine. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast in the morning. I go to work. I go to school. I study English every day. I come home in the evening. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. You do not need difficult vocabulary. Start with the things you already do every day. For example, I wake up early, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, then I have breakfast. After breakfast, I go to work. In the evening, I come home and relax. This simple practice can improve both your vocabulary and speaking confidence. 4. Asking simple questions. Good communication is not only about answering questions. You also need to ask questions. Here are some useful questions. What do you do? Where do you live? What do you like? What are you doing? Where are you going? What time is it? Do you like coffee? Can you help me? Let's practice. A. What do you do? B. I'm a student. A. Where do you study? B. I study at a local college. A. Do you like studying English? B. Yes, I do. I really enjoy it. These are easy questions, but they can help you start real conversations. 5. Talking about your likes. Talking about things you like is another excellent way to practice. Use I like, I love, I enjoy. For example, I like music. I love watching movies. I enjoy reading books. I like playing football. You can also talk about things you do not like. I don't like spicy food. I don't like waking up late. I don't enjoy crowded places. Conversation. A. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like watching movies and listening to music. A. What kind of movies do you like? B. I like comedy movies. A. Me, too. This type of conversation is easy and fun. 6. Speaking at a restaurant. Now imagine you are at a restaurant. You can say, can I see the menu, please? I'd like a chicken sandwich. Can I have some water, please? What do you recommend? How much is this? Can I have the bill, please? Example. Customer. Excuse me, can I see the menu, please? Waiter. Of course. Here you are. Customer. Thank you. I'd like a chicken sandwich and some water. Waiter. Sure. Anything else? Customer. No, thank you. These sentences are useful in real-life situations. 7. Shopping conversation. Shopping is another common situation where you can practice English. Useful sentences include, how much is this? Do you have a larger size? Do you have this in another color? Can I try this on? I'll take it. For example, customer. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? Shopkeeper. It's $20. Customer. Do you have it in blue? Shopkeeper. Yes, we do. Customer. Great. Can I try it on? Shopkeeper. Sure. Practice this conversation several times. 8. Asking for help. Sometimes you need help when you are traveling, shopping, studying, or working. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me? Could you please help me? Can you show me the way? Where is the nearest bus stop? Could you say that again? Could you speak slowly, please?" These sentences are especially useful for beginners because they help you continue a conversation even when you do not understand everything. 9. What to say when you make a mistake. Do not be afraid of mistakes. If you forget something, simply say, "Sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that? What does that mean? How do you say this in English? Let me try again." These sentences give you time to think. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you make a grammar mistake, do not stop speaking. Finish your sentence and continue. With practice, your English will naturally become better. 10. Your daily speaking practice. Now let's create a simple daily routine for English speaking. Spend just 15 minutes every day. For the first 5 minutes, speak about yourself. Say, "My name is, I live in, I work, study, I like, my favorite food is." For the next 5 minutes, describe your day. Say, "Today I woke up at, I had breakfast, then in the afternoon, in the evening." For the final 5 minutes, ask yourself questions and answer them. What did I do today? What did I learn today? What am I going to do tomorrow? Answer each question in English. You can even practice while looking in a mirror. This may feel strange at first, but it is an excellent way to build confidence. 11. Think in simple English. Another powerful technique is to start thinking in English. Do not translate every sentence from your native language into English. Instead, look around you and describe what you see. For example, "This is my phone. The door is open. I am sitting on a chair. The weather is hot today. I am drinking water." Start with very simple thoughts. When you wake up, think, "I'm awake." When you get ready, "I'm getting ready." When you eat, "I'm having breakfast." This small habit can gradually train your brain to use English naturally. 12. Your confidence matters. Finally, remember that speaking English is a skill, not a test. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need a huge vocabulary. You need practice, patience, and confidence. Speak slowly. Use simple sentences. Repeat useful phrases. Listen to English every day. Most importantly, do not wait until your English is perfect before you start speaking. Start speaking today. Say something in English right now. "Hello, my name is underscore 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 underscore. I am learning English. I practice English every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will improve step by step." Say it again. Say it with confidence. Every sentence you speak is progress. The goal is not to become perfect overnight. The goal is to become a little better every day. So, start with simple words. Build simple sentences. Have simple conversations. Keep practicing. Your English speaking journey starts today.